Introduction to Microsoft Azure AZ900. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform with an ever-expanding set of services to help you build solutions to meet your business goals. Azure services support everything from simple to complex. Azure has simple web services for hosting your business presence in the cloud. Azure also supports running fully virtualized computers, managing your custom software solutions. Azure provides a wealth of cloud-based services like remote storage, database hosting, and centralized account management. Azure also offers new capabilities like AI, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things, IoT-focused services. In this course, you will cover cloud computing basics, be introduced to some of the core services provided by Microsoft Azure, and will learn more about the governance and compliance services that you can use. So, why should I take Azure Fundamentals? If you are just beginning to work with the cloud, or if you already have cloud experience, this course provides you with everything you need to get started. No matter your goals, Azure Fundamentals has something for you. You should take this course if you are or you have a general interest in Azure in the cloud, you want to learn and earn official certification from Microsoft AZ900. AZ900 domain areas. So we have domain areas and the weight on the exam. So we have the described cloud concepts. This has a weight of 25 to 30%. We have described Azure architecture and services. This is 35 to 40%. We have the described Azure management and governance, which is 30 to 35%. I will see you in the